No Man's Island Chapter 2. Uh, Nomad is like the nomads. They were Indians into like instruments. Of course, you have like a cement orchestra on this island. And every step of the way, you just look at the goddess like um is like the goddess formed like her tears, and they kept like going down like this farewell stairwell, and the goddess she said some days in life just, I think, a little bit cooler. Life is atmosphere. It's pretty cool. You just wonder the wonder. Um, that love is complicated. Um, and if you could see what I see, Eve's would, just pray for uniqueness. The more unique you are, the more Christmas comes around. Yep. On your best day, put your best foot forward. And just realize like splash hard into the prayers of like your dreams. Dreams really can come true if you believe. If you believe, you can have some. Hey, it's possible, right? Yep. And no matter what, you got to like pup straight. Just realize most men to goddess are angels. And that if I had one wish, I wish I was human again. Just as eyesight. That the eyes are like the journey back and forth, in and out, as like a butterfly to a bee, a sting to a ray, a vessel to a corner, a flood to ice, wind, water, and hell. Usually your best flood is your best concept. That when life starts to flood itself, you win. You win the flood to make it through the flood. That the more you realize that God had ordained like a flood of like criticism, prayers, journeys, psychotic Casey, that you like journey off into space as this like white air bubble. And more than less, I hear like this noise of like a dripping organ. Soft, wet, fertile, talkative, well earned, firm, fine, soft, that as the world becomes one with its artists, that the journey never seems like too much till you cross over into the warpath of what we would call the designated island of flooding, stripping, love of journeys as a flood on No Man's Island. Remember, peace be with the one that enjoys the new era of jumping through the loops of the designated train, main, vein, tang, love's journeys of floods. No Man's Island.